Key error when enumerating over dataloader. I'm trying to iterate over a pytorch dataloader initialized as follows. Triangle equals torch.utils.data.dataloader x_train, batch_size equals batch_size, shuffle equals true, quarks. Where x_train is a pandas data frame like this one. So, I'm not being able to do the following statement, since I'm getting a key error in the enumerate. Has anyone a clue of what's happening? Edit. The error I get is
You have to create torch.utils.data.dataset wrapping your dataset. For example, pass this object to dataloader instantiated by your pandas data frame and you should be fine. Example usage with dataloader.
I was having the same error. Turns out that the issue was with label, i.e. array. The labels that I was using to make a custom dataset and then the dataset was being used in dataloader. This labels array was actually coming from a pandas data frame and it still contained the original indices from pandas. Simple doing labels.to_numpy and then using labels in the custom dataset resolved the issue.